Right, what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show YouTube creators how to create this clone effect in Premiere Pro. And speaking of which, let's go straight to my laptop and show you how you can do it as well. I have already opened Premiere Pro, but there are a few things that I want to mention before I continue with this tutorial. The first thing is that make sure that when you're recording the video for your project, that there is a gap between you and the other you. Otherwise, if you get too close to each other, this might make it a little bit more complicated to create this clone effect. The second thing is to set up your camera in a particular place and don't move it while you're recording the video. And the third thing is to make your ISO manually. Otherwise, if you make it automatic, there will be changes in the lights, and therefore when you're creating this clone effect, there will be differences in the lighting and it won't look really nice. And with that being said, let's carry on with the tutorial. What you're seeing right now into the timeline, it's the video that I used to create the intro for this tutorial, and I recorded a whole video without stopping. So I'm gonna just edit it a little bit before I apply the crop effects and create this clone effect. So I'm just gonna go over here and cut it from there. That's the part where I am start talking, and I just gonna go further down and cut it here again and carry on to the point where the other me start talking. So I'm just gonna move it further down, and I think that's the place where I start talking. Over here, just gonna cut it over there, and also there is another bit that I want to cut, so I think it's over here. Just gonna cut it, and yeah, okay. So now I've got the parts which I want to use for this tutorial. I'm just gonna delete the rest of it like that. And what I'm gonna do right now is grab the second part of this video, but I'm just gonna do it individually, audio track by audio track, and the video track separately like that. I'm gonna grab the video tracks now and put it above. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to apply the crop effect. So I'm gonna go to effects, and from there I'm gonna type down crop. I'm gonna just grab this effect and apply it to the first video. And also I'm gonna apply it to the second one as well. I'm gonna click on to the first part of the second video, go to the effect control panel and go down to crop. And from there, I just gonna increase the percentage of the left option. So I'm just gonna increase it to 50, and I'm gonna do the same with the second part of the second video. But now you can see that there it's a line and it's very visible at the middle. So to fix that, I'm gonna go down and increase the feather to 56, and I'm gonna do the same with the second part of the second video, 56. So let's see what it looks like. And bam guys, there we go. There it's me, and that is the cloning of me. And that's how you can create a clone effect in Premiere Pro. I mean, I have to apologize for the bad acting, but well, it's not my nature and I'm not a good actor. So I just wanted to show you how you can use the crop effect and create easily this clone effect in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you want to see more tutorials about Premiere Pro, you can check the videos at the end of this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.